Okay, this is the cabinet that I'm putting up here, working on it. That is going to house all my charge controllers and charge inverters, and it's got my inverter and all that good stuff in it. It's just a regular old kitchen cabinet that I got, and I got it at a yard sale, real reasonable. That's my fuse box right there. It's got 60 amp fuses in it, and get my light down here so we can see it a little better. Uh, like I say, it's got 60 amp fuses in it. That's the main switch for going up to my charge controller. I mean my inverter, I'm sorry. And that's 2 alt wire going down all the way down into the basement there. I got a battery bank in the basement. I got 4 deep cycle marine batteries, and they're 12-volt batteries, and which gives me 12 volt up here. And I got this goes all the way up here to my inverter, and this is my inverter here. It's 3,000 watt, 6,000 watt peak. It's a Black & Decker, and I don't know if you can see it very well or not. Get the light over here so maybe you can see it a little better there. I don't know if I'm too close up on it or not. But that's my inverter, and back up here just a little bit there so we'll just get everything in it. You can see the main breaker box there on the right hand side, and that's my charge controller from Harbor Freight. It's not turned on right now at the moment. It's dark outside. I turned it off earlier. And this right here is a switch box for switching everything over from main power to the inverter. Let me switch this baby over on micro right quick here. And I've got 4 switches there. The first one is my sunroom, where we spend most of our time. It's on main power right now. It's a 3-way position switch rated at 30 amps. Center position is off. Flip it down, it goes to the inverter. And then I've got the kitchen, which has got all the refrigerator, microwaves, and so on in there. It's on main also. And then the living room and the master bedroom. And that's the switches I've got for that. And let's see here. Of course, this is my see what I've got the battery bank downstairs there right now. Well, old 12 volt, 12.9 volt. That's what's in the battery bank downstairs right now in the basement. And of course, this is my Harbor Freight 12 volt 5 watt bulb there. It's from Harbor Freight. And let's see, get my light up here a little better here. Get a little more light on the situation so I can see it a little better there. That's the Harbor Freight charge controller. And so far it's been doing a good job with my solar panel. It's only 45 watt solar panel, but it seems to be working pretty good there. It's not keeping up with everything. But I am in the process of building me a water wheel, because I've got 2 streams running down each side of the house here. I live up here in the mountains, and I will put the power inverter. I'll probably mount it over here on this side over here, or maybe up here somewhere, to invert the power coming from the water wheel going to the batteries. And hopefully in the future I'll be able to cut my electric bill down a little bit. But so far that's what I've got, and I'll show you the battery bank here shortly.